Hi, welcome to this lesson. So in the last lesson we looked at just using returns and then using the return values in operations and things like that. But what if you want multiple lines of return? Okay, what if you want to return multiple values? You might need that, right? So if you want to return multiple values, you have to wrap them inside a parenthesis. Okay, you have to wrap them inside your parenthesis and then you have to send them. Okay, so I'll show you how that works. For example, let's create a function called add num again, and let's give two parameters num1 and num2, and inside of there let's create another sum. Okay, let's create a variable sum and add the numbers together in here. Okay, and then let's do a return like this. Okay, so far we just give return sum like that, right? But what if I want to return an entire maybe a string, a complete string or something like that? I have to enclose that within my parenthesis. Okay, if I enclose it within my parenthesis, and then I can, okay, and now I can actually put this inside. Now I can actually send multiple lines of return. Okay, if I can do it with the backtick, it's very easy. I can say hello there for the first line, and then for the second one I can say the sum of numbers num1 and num2. Sorry about that. Is sum like this. Okay, I can do something like this, right? I can do something like this, and then if I do a console.log and call this like this and 5 2, give parameters 5 2, let's see what I'm gonna get. See, multiple lines. Hello, there is the first line, and then there is a sum of numbers 5 and 2 is 7. Okay, on the other hand, I can forego the backtick and I can do it with my with and concatenation as well. In that case I'll have to give /n like this, and then I have to give a /n, and then I should say the sum of numbers space plus num1 plus and like this and num2. Okay, sorry about that. It's still encased within a backtick. Okay, num2 and then a space is sum like this. Okay, if I refresh, see, I'm still getting the same thing. So I can do it within double quotes or a single quote like this as well. So that's completely up to you. You can choose what you want to do. All right. So that's how you can send multiple lines of return from your function. But this has to start from the same line. Okay, after the return statement, immediately start your parenthesis and immediately start your line. If you go to the next line, then you're going to get it undefined, because and this would be considered as just a return statement, so it'll return undefined. So it has to start immediately after the return in the same line. Now if you give a space like this, that's fine. Space is okay, but there should be no new line. Okay, space is fine and those things are fine. Okay, so that's it for this particular lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.